Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Catrina makeup for the Dia de los Muertos. With that being said, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start priming my face with the Wet n Wild Glass Correct. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows using the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. And after I am done with my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and use my Wet n Wild foundation. Now I am just applying a little bit of concealer, again by Wet n Wild. I know it's not sponsored. I'm also putting a little bit of bronzer to bronze up my face, and then I'm going to set it all with some setting powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Hello Kitty ColourPop Cosmetics blush. After a few minutes, I'm going to wipe that powder off my face, and I'm going to go in with the Morphe Times Jeffree Star. I am going to be applying the tape on the back of my hand to take away some of the stickiness. Now I am going to be applying it to my eyelids, and this will serve as a guide to where I want to apply the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be using the LA Colors concealer to cut a crease on my eyelids. Then I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the pink. Now I am applying eyeliner to my waterline, and I'm also going to use liquid eyeliner to apply eyeliner to the top of my eyelid. Here I am applying some glitter to where I applied the glue lash line, which is all over my eyelid, and then I applied a little bit of mascara, took that tape off, and now I'm just getting a brown eyeliner pencil and using it to trace over the shapes that I want to use for my cara. By the way, cara means face. And now I'm using a white eyeliner to kind of trace the lines that I want to use. Now I am using a hot pink and putting in the back of that pencil that I used to give me that little round shape. And now I'm just doing my nose. Now I'm just tracing again with the white, the lines that I had made with the brown eyeliner pencil. Now I'm applying some NYX pink lip. Going in with that pink eyeliner, I'm going to do some lines on the mouth to kind of create like the calavera, the Catrina mouth. Now I'm just going to go ahead around my face and do shapes that kind of goes with Dia de los Muertos. Make sure you pack your patience when you're doing rhinestones all over your face. And now I'm applying some highlighter. This is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.